Welcome back to fixing the Scirocco. Today we're going to get stuck right in. We're going to get all the parts off that we need to get off. Strip it right down, strip it right back. Hopefully we don't find any more damage that we don't know about. Let's get stuck in. Start with the light supports. Clear some of this crap off. Get these lights off. Bumper off. Bonnet hinges off. That bit there is meant to be welded to the slam panel, so we'll have to get that welded back on. So after getting those few little bits off, we've got the top of the radiator shroud off, opening up this top area. Nothing else looks damaged. Headlights out. We have got a little bracket that I think's bent, but I'll just put that back into shape. Next is bumper off, so I need to get the inner wheel arches out of both front wheels, or at least pull them forwards. $18 volts later, hopefully that's it out. Second one out. They're a nightmare for a cheap car. Now to see if we can get into these bumper brackets. One. I can't beat it. That's a hold your front bumper on. That's it. It's handy, isn't it? Think about that little Fiesta I done the other week. I had to take like 4 or 5 bolts out of each side just to get that front bumper to come loose. This one will be different. No, it won't. That's it. That is it. I can't believe that. What I like to do, put the screws back in where they came from if I can. Right, so just slam panel off, and then the radiator shroud. Let's get on it. So now we take those two, and the little small ones around the on the other side of the radiator shroud. Drop that down, that off, radiator shroud out, and then go from there. Here we go. Right, so before I completely drop that off, still got these little bolts. One on the top, one on the bottom, either side holding the shroud on. So I'll nip them out and then we'll take the slam panel off. Now, I don't know how you separate it. Okay, so 1, 2. He's looking a little bit poorly. What we'll do quickly, no, we'll call that it for here. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Like, subscribe, share, especially if you want to see the next episode. See you in the next one. Bye bye.